Coach Neil from the Black Dog Brotherhood. Now, pretty much everybody out there has heard of serotonin and dopamine. But what people don't really understand is that, generally speaking, serotonin and dopamine are not made in the brain, okay? The receptors are located in the brain. Serotonin and dopamine are actually made mostly in the gut, okay? So 95% of serotonin is made in the gut and 50% of dopamine is made in the gut, okay? For those who don't know, serotonin and dopamine are neurotransmitters. They're essentially feel-good hormones, okay? The way it works is inside of your gut, you have good bacteria and you have bad bacteria. The types of food that you eat dictate the balance of good and bad bacteria. That bacteria is then responsible for the manufacturing of certain neurotransmitters, among them being serotonin and dopamine, all right? So the foods you eat control the bacteria in your stomach, and the bacteria in your stomach controls the quantities of serotonin and dopamine. That serotonin and dopamine is then transported from the gut via the vagus nerve to the brain where the receptors are located. So if you put this all together, what it means is that if you are eating crap food that messes with your gut health, that messes with the bacteria in your gut, you can have lower levels of serotonin and lower levels of dopamine being transported to the receptors, which means your mood is reduced. The foods that you eat play a very real part in the emotions you feel.